Man, he ain't no better than
I said to myself, how long does it take insurance coming? I said, he's full of shit. He's just trying to find a way not to say, Ron, I'm not interested. Just be honest. Yeah. Yeah. Let me know what he say. That's in the dough.
yeah, that son of a bitch. Well, now Roy come down. Damn, I should let him unload that son of a bitch. Just slide through the door right there, man. You know, I told my little one up, man.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know.
I'm gonna put some wheels on that motherfucker.
Yeah, it's missing some wheels. That's a heavy little motor.
Yeah, but it be close around.
Small one. Yeah.
Yeah, cause he's my little baby one. I broke it.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah, my little baby, that's just for inside the house, like them drain the rubber
Man,
hammer.
so damn handy, dude. Both of these.
Yeah, that's I use this for the big screws, but
Yep.
I use that for inside the house.
Yeah. Yeah, where you can
Ron,
maneuver
you
better.
got some fucking shit to work with it.
Man, you sure do, dude.
Yeah, man, okay.
That's what you need, Jonathan, for your kind of work, especially.
I told my wife,
That's
you don't have to
something
give
you
you
gotta
all
have.
this shit away for $1. Get somebody here know what this shit costs and say, okay, Miss Easton, you on sale, let me go through this shit. Let me spat out. You know, if something happens to me, don't just get all this
You
shit
need
away.
to have this insured anyway, in case of a fire or something. Or, you know,
Yeah.
I would a little bit.
I
So
got
that's a little bit of insurance on it. If you can find someone that ain't ridiculous about their damn prices, insurance.
Yeah.
Geico offers me some, but I don't know. I never did. I never did get it, and then consequently my shit burned up, and I still got Geico. And because I didn't respond to my mail quick enough, they penalized me and upped my policy $25. My policy went up again, so that's okay. Well, some insurance is better than nothing.